Polling day preparation. On the day of the poll, as a presiding officer of the team, remove the units from their cases, connect them and switch on the CU. Press Total button to ensure that no votes are polled. Conduct a mock poll of at least 50 votes. Polling agents may be allowed to cast their vote for their candidates and keep a record of the number of votes polled for each candidate, including nota. This step can't be skipped because this is about confirming the proper functioning of the machines. Now press the Close button and show the polling agents that no more votes can be registered. The display shows invalid when you try to register a vote. Open the outer and inner doors of the Result section. Now press Result and show the agents the mock poll result. Once they are satisfied, clear the mock poll data from the EVM. Presiding officers have to fill the mock poll certificate and obtain the signatures of the polling agents on it. Do not forget to clear the results of the mock poll before you fill the mock poll certificate. The RO is supposed to track the conduct and the status of the mock poll. The micro observer should also participate in the process, and these proceedings should be videographed wherever videography is being done. After clearing the mock poll data, seal the CU using the prescribed seals and tags and make it ready for the actual polls.